Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Sit back, relax, and stay safe.
It's certainly a tough pill to swallow for those of us who have been part of the effort to remove exclusions based on immigration status to healthcare.
And it would create Medi-Cal premiums for certain people without documentation, setting them at $30 per month, down from Newsom's $100 per month. The bill would also make cuts to coverage of expensive weight loss medicines. The proposal rejects over $200 million.
So I got the dash cam footage from the insurance company here, but that's me in the black truck. And this trucker would not let me over, and he would not let me merge. I have the right of way. And he sent me right under another truck. Look what he did to my pickup truck. Like, freaking ridiculous. And then the cops show up and say it's my fault. Like, it's not my fault, obviously. He had to let me over. It's my right of way.
Come on, just make a small prediction.
Yeah.
You're not going to like where Embiid is at on everybody's list.
Well, it is what it is.
Yes.
I'm at peace. He had a so regular season.
Yeah. Why are you doing a postseason?
I hit two.
Ha! We gotta get ahead of them.
Don't let them in.
Oh no. This truck ahead of the... Ha!
Oh my god.
They're honking? Are they gonna try and road rage it? What the hell?
Driving one lane, dumbass. Holy shit.
Dude. What the heck?
Fuck.
Holy crap!
We're gonna see an accident.
Oh man, I'm saving that on the dash cam.